Hey guys, I'm gonna do a little unboxing video here so you guys can see with me. I haven't opened it yet, so we'll do it together real quick. I got a set of LS valve covers here from Aces, and I'm excited for them for one of my projects. So I figured I'd let you guys see while I see, you know. All right. Alright, so we got gaskets, which I didn't expect, to be honest. Check them out. They're pretty nice. Wow, these are pretty nice. Yeah, these are real nice valve covers here. I mean, it's got the mounting holes for the coils to go right on, so I don't need the factory bracket. It's pretty. Got this plug on here already, which I've already done. Because who wants to deal with all that EGR stuff? Oh, I got all the mounting bolts here, all the spacers. Didn't expect that either. Check this side out. Very nice so far. Wow, these are real nice too. It's got this nice oil cap here. Wow, full thread too. Usually it's just that, you know, that little lock and tongue groove. This is full thread. Aces logo on it. It's pretty nice. Nice O-ring on it to seal it. I gotta say, I'm impressed, but I wasn't expecting much less from Aces. Everything I've been getting from them has been top of the line quality, to be honest. So, very cool stuff. Let me see. Yeah, I got the spacers with the rubber plugs that drop right in there with the washers, the bolts. I got some bracket too. Honestly, I'm not sure what this little bracket does, but I'm sure it does something. But Aces again. Good job. Quality stuff. Alright guys, I hope this helped you out. Quality. Thanks guys. Thanks for watching.